Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Summers are officially here, and as much as I love the sunshine and the longer days, I hate chip, acne, tanning, and a lot of cures that comes along with it. So in today's video, I am going to share my ultimate summer essentials that I use to stay cool, fresh, and comfortable. It's going to be a mix of skincare, makeup, hygiene, and other lifestyle products. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Let's start with skincare. So the first product that I want to show you is this clay mask from the brand Dermaco. It is such a good product. I have finished tubs and tubs of this one. This product is my go-to in summers for controlling oil and acne breakouts. It deeply cleanses your pores and avoids breakouts. Next up, I have this Uriage Thermal Water. I carry this product with me everywhere I go. I have got two of these. So one I have kept in my office bag, and this one I usually keep in the refrigerator. It is so refreshing and so soothing after a long sweaty day out. It calms and soothes and heals my skin like nobody's business. Next up, I have a Sika calming gel. So you can use it both like a moisturizer and a face mask. I personally love to use it as a face mask. Like, I apply a thin layer of it on my face. It soothes redness, cools down the skin and hydrates it without feeling sticky. अगर हम समर एसेंशियल्स की बात कर रहे हैं और सनस्क्रीन का जिक्र नहीं हो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. If you hate applying greasy sunscreens, you need to try this one from Foxtail. I have finished bottles of this one. I love this one. It provides that UV protection to my skin without feeling greasy or giving any sort of white cast. It's super duper lightweight and is non-comedogenic as well. Now let's move towards some personal hygiene essentials. So the first product I would like to show you in this category is an underarm roll-on from the brand Be Body Wise. This is, I think, my second or third bottle of this product. It has got 4% AHA BHA. So this product keeps my underarm fresh, controls body odor, and also combats mild pigmentation. However, that will take you some time. Have to use it for like 3-4 months to see visible results. So next up, I have a cleansing bar. It's this Pero Bar 2.5%. It's actually a cleansing bar which was given to me by a dermatologist some 2 to 3 years back. So it has got benzoyl peroxide 2.5%, which acts as an antimicrobial agent. It helps in killing those acne-causing bacteria and keeps your body smelling nice and fresh. Next up, I would like to talk about a product which I have been using for like years now. It's this Candid Dusting Powder. मैं इसको बचपन से यूज करती आ रही हूँ and my entire family loves this. It's such a versatile product. It keeps those sweat prone areas dry and prevents rashes. It has got antifungal properties. It also helps with skin irritation. It's an absolute summer must have. Please give it a try if you haven't already. Now let's move towards some makeup and fragrance products. If you hate applying layers and layers of foundation and concealers during summers, you should try this makeup stick from the brand Color Bar. It is such a beautiful product. You can use it both like a foundation and a concealer. Gives full coverage. A beautiful product for somebody who has to apply makeup every day. If you have to go to the office and you do not have a lot of time to apply makeup, this is a beautiful product. 2 to 3 dots here and there, and it conceals everything very beautifully and gives a very natural skin-like base to work on. Next up, I would like to talk about a product जिसके बारे में मैं शायद दूसरी या तीसरी बार बात कर रही हूँ. मैंने इस पे shorts भी बना रखी है. I love this product so much. It is this Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint. समर्स में स्किन ऑलरेडी इतनी चिपचिपी हो जाती है कि कोई भी क्रीम बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट मुझे पसंद नहीं है. लाइक क्रीमी ब्लशेस आई डू नॉट लाइक अप्लाइंग. So this one is a water based product. If you have congestion prone skin, you should give this one a try. Gives me that beautiful, fresh, dewy, flushed look without clogging my pores. This is an absolute summer must have in the makeup category. Beautiful product. Next up on my summer essentials list is a fragrance that I am obsessed with lately. It is Sublime Epoch from Zara. It is such a beautiful fragrance. जब से मैंने इसको order करा है, मैं इसको हर जगह पहन के जाती हूँ, and trust me, every time I wear this, I always get so many compliments. If you are into fresh floral fragrances that has a hint of warmth in it, you are going to love this one. It has very fresh, summery, feminine vibe to it. Feels like as if you're walking through a sunlit garden. Definitely a must-have. Hydration is absolutely non-negotiable during summers, and to keep my water intake in check, I use this flask from the brand Solara. It is a 2 liter insulated flask. So I'm somebody who is very lazy. बार बार उठ करके पानी पीने में मुझे मौत आती है अगर मैं एक बार बैठ करके एडिटिंग करने लग गई या मैं कुछ काम कर रही हूँ ऑफिस का और मुझे प्यास लगी है तो मैं बस बैठ करके वहाँ इंतजार करती रहूँ कि कोई मुझे आके पानी पिला दो। मैंने नोटिस किया था कि मेरा वाटर इंटेक बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो गया था, सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस वन फ्रॉम Amazon। आप इसमें ठंडी चीज़ें रखते हो तो वो आराम से 7-8 घंटे तक ठंडी रहती हैं, और कोई गर्म चीज़ें रखते हो तो वो भी आराम से गर्म रहती है। इसको विंटर्स में भी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ और अब समर्स में भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ। इफ़ यू आर समबडी लाइक मी जो हमेशा भूल जाता है पानी पीना, प्लीज़ गेट दिस वन। ऐसे दिन में 3 या 4 बॉटल पी लेती हूँ और मेरा पानी का इंटेक पूरा हो जाता है। आई थिंक समर्स में किसी को भी टाइट शूज और सॉक्स पहनना नहीं पसंद होगा। आई मीन इट मेक्स माई फीट रियली स्वेटी एंड स्मेली एंड आई हेट दैट फीलिंग इन समर्स। आई थिंक एवरीबडी शुड हैव अ गुड पेयर ऑफ फ्लैट्स जो आप आराम से पहन करके कहीं पे भी जा सको। हैव दीज वंस फ्रॉम क्रॉक्स, बहुत अच्छे हैं, कहीं पर भी जा रही हूँ, जीन्स टी शर्ट स्कर्ट्स किसी भी कैजुअल वेयर के साथ आप आराम से इनको टीम अप कर सकते हो। वाइट कलर हर चीज़ के साथ बहुत अच्छे से चले भी जाता है। एंड इसके ऊपर मैंने क्यूट से चार्म्स लगा रखे हैं एंड मैं जब भी पहन के इसको निकलती हूँ मुझे बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलते हैं कि आपने ये कहाँ से लिया, आपने जो चार्म्स लगाए हैं वो आपने कहाँ से लिए। तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिटी लगते हैं। या फिर अगर आप ऑफिस जाते हो और कुर्तियाँ पहनते हो तो यू शुड ट्राई समथिंग लाइक दिस। आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट अ प्रोडक्ट दैट इज अ समर staple for me. It's a good pair of sunglasses. Understand that it's not just a fashion accessory, okay? You need a good pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes from UV rays. कई बार जब हम बिना sunglasses के बाहर चले जाते हैं तो डायरेक्ट सन एक्सपोजर से आपकी आईज में जलन भी हो सकती है। So you need to invest in a good pair of sunglasses. Plus, it adds an effortless cool girl vibe, which is a cherry on top. Towards the end of the video, we are left with one last product, but I had to include this one because let's accept summers are not just about sun and sweat, it's also the lizard season officially. And lizards and I cannot coexist. I am shit scared of them, and so I had ordered this gecko lizard repellent spray from Amazon. I have been using this for like 2 to 3 weeks now, and touch wood, uh, our uninvited guests are out of my room. These were all my tried and tested summer essentials that make this summer season so much manageable and fun. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of this video, and also don't forget to tell me which one is your favorite product, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.